Hi, welcome back. In today's video we've got something different today. Apart from the obviously different to the Hondas. Good mate of mine's donated a project for me for the channel and picked it up today. So I thought I won't touch it yet, I thought I'll do it on video and see how we get on with it. So right, I'll go and get it, but we need pallet stand before we do. We'll put that right there, and then right, okay, I'll go and get it. This has been in the barn 10 plus years, so okay. There you go. Let me show you around. It's a early pit bike, rear drum model. I've never had a rear drum one. I've always had the disc. The front disc, as you can see, it's been sat in his barn for a long time. Still got all the hay in it, which I'm going to remove in a minute. It's a 125 electric start. Not sure if it's a lift fan or I had no idea yet. Literally, I've just got back now, so we're going to hopefully get it running. I don't know when the last time it was run, but looking at it a very long time ago. Cheers, Sam. Appreciate this. It's come to a good home, mate. And I'll sort it, get it running. Back wheel is here. Let me show you. Oh. Cush tabs have gone on it, so you should be able to order some from Red Circles or Pitbike Ltd, something like that. I thought the Honda 90 ones would fit, but they're a bit bigger. So it's all there. It's just been sat in the barn for a very long time. Right, let's have a look at this. Let's just check this oil. Oh, to be fair, it's quite clean. So, say I can't work out what it was. It's been used, obviously, and loved at one point, but it's an early one. The original plastics, Dirt King. It's like a grey colour. I'd love to put it back to how it was. There's the other side. The mudguard's here somewhere. Oh, there's the mudguard. So obviously I had a sticker on there at some point. Just trying to work out if that's masking tape over the original sticker, or is it just so I'd like to put it back to original if I can. If not, there's plenty of options out there for different plastics. It looks like it's a CRF 50 frame with the different swinging arm on it than the other one I've got. Right, let's get all this hay off it, and then we can see what we're dealing with then. So okay, right, let's get a carrier bag. Hey. I've got a hole in. Now, I don't want the hay back, Sam. Yeah, see, really appreciate that, mate. It's come to a good home, and I'll sort it and have fun on it again. And I'll say I'll bring it back, and we can have a rouse on it on your land. Took the 140 there today while I was there, and yeah, brilliant, fantastic. I shall put it on my Instagram page for the channel when I get it all sorted. Right, you can start to see what we've got. Say I'll completely at some point strip it right down. And then it's got a weird early choke on it. Like a lever on the handlebars. It's it does work. So right, do a little bit more on this, and then I love finding these barn finds that's not been touched for years. You know, I know people must think, what the hell, are you sniffing Smurfs or something? But no, I don't know why it was parked up. I'm guessing it was because of the cush dive on the back wheel. But it's not bad considering what I normally buy. But at least it's all there. Nothing that can't be fixed. Right, that'll do for now. Hey, how's you? Right. Let's put some WD on it. Just give it a bit of okay. Do a bit of glue. I think the chain's at it, but I'll put a new chain on it anyway. To be fair. And right. So let's start trying to get this running. So I'm not going to change the oil because it looks alright. It looks quite clean, to be fair. First things first, let's see if it's going to spark. Let's put a new spark plug on it. If this is going to spark, I'll eat my hat. Not that hold on, let me put my hat on. There you go. If this sparks, I'll eat my hat. It's got a bloody spark. Oh, bloody hell. Let me just, I don't know if you'd be able to see that from here. Let me try and, which one is it now? I don't know if you're going to see that from here. Let's just lift this up. Is that any better? I don't know if you see it on camera, but can you see that? It's got a bloody lovely spark. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm only going to change the plug in it. We're just going to go for it. I can't believe that. Right, let's put you back where you were. Right, bit of fuel. Which one is hay goes in it? Ooh, I love that smell of old fuel. Right, not going to put much in it just in case it's got a big hole in it, or no idea, if rolling rat's been eating the pipe. So far so good. It's a bit tight. Where's my WD? Right. What do you think, folks? It's got spark. It's got fuel. Is it going to run? Well, let's find out. Give it a bit of choke. Give it a bit of petrol in the carb. I want to eat that again. Wet it already. Bloody hell. I wasn't expecting that. That shocked me, that, I'll be honest with you. 'Cause that's... I was going to take the plug out and all that hoo-ha and take the carb off, but I can't believe that. So it's a shame push tires are gone. I could have took it for a ride, but oh well. I'll order some cush tires for it, and before I strip it I'll give it a ride round the field and see how the clutches and such like. But I can't get over that, I'll be honest with you. Not even leaking any fuel. I say I wasn't clean, take the carb off and clean it, but I don't need to. So I'll get a new case for it, with a chain, sprocket case, sorry. A new chain for it. I think this one's goosed through standing, and then I'll do a bit of homework on the the make of it, so see if I can get it back to how it was. I'm guessing, because I've never seen this, I'd like to get them back to gold. See if I can find pictures on Google or something on the front mudguard sticker, or if it is just, I don't know, it looks like masking tape to me. And then say worst case scenario, I'll just put new plastics on it from Red Circles or Pitbike Ltd. Only a little 125, but looking forward to riding this one, I'll be honest with you. Be nice to, Sam, get back on it, lad. But, I think the mice have been, or the rats have been eating the back seat. Or back seat, yeah. Been eating the seat. So I've got a new seat somewhere for one of these. I can't get over that. That's shut me down. That's what I was going to say. I was going to take the plug out and all that new car, but it'll clean up nice, this one. I say I don't know what year it is. Maybe there's some pit bike gurus out there that knows what year they went from rear drum to disc. I don't know how you date these things. Is there a tag normally on this bit here? No, I can't see it. If there is, I don't know where it is. But that's crazy, absolutely crazy. So while we're on the subject, I've put the new bars on, horns on, and the glow and the dip switch. So I've ordered all the rubbers for in there, new grips, rubbers, grips, and throttle cable, sorry. So that's coming on a treat, if you've been following the channel. But back to this, wow. I'll tidy all that lot up, put a new air filter on it. I probably will take the carb off anyway and give it a clean in the ultrasonic, but it runs fine then, I'll be honest with you. So clean all this muck off here, and get all the new levers for it. I think the front brake's goosed, obviously through standing, but as they say, who needs brakes? Brilliant. Thanks again, Sam, appreciate that, mate, and thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Ta-da.